attempt to do just a little sea witch holding a wand with some little fishes and bubbles. Okay, so by the time I got to this one on the live stream, I was a little bit less chatty Cathy and mostly just did the wood burning. I don't really know what I was going for here. I really wanted to do a mermaid that was Halloween themed, so I did a sea witch. And then I was struggling with how I should make her look, and I went with a more simplistic look. Just having her have the classic long hair a mermaid does, and a classic no mistake witch hat and a wand. But I like how the design itself turned out and how the burn looked, but I wish I had chose different colors. I was really stuck on the color scheme for this gal, and I ended up going with the color scheme from the witch in the movie The Sword and the Stone. Madame Prim something? I can't remember her name, but she had light purple skin, lots of lavender, and then she had a magenta pink dress. So that's the colors I went with, which I don't hate them, but they blend a little too much together. But wood burning her hair here was the funnest part of the burn. I really like wood burning hair. I'm gonna have to do more big hair pieces because the round tip creates such a nice texture for hair. And if you have any questions about what I'm using a Cowood wood burner. You can buy it from woodburning.com, not sponsored. It's great. I love it. You can really dial in your temperature that you want to be able to do what you want, and they also sell many different accessories for it. Definitely worth the money if you want to get into wood burning. Yes, so the rest of the video is pretty much just going to be the burn. Thanks for tuning in. I can do live streams here once I get 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. Otherwise, I'm limited to just doing my live streams on my Facebook page. So go like my Facebook page too if you don't mind. Thanks. So with how I decided to paint this, I decided that I was going for like a Lumos look, kind of like in Harry Potter when they use their wands for light. So I've been practicing with glowing more and more in my art, and this was another great chance to practice that. I think I achieved it fairly well on the hair, but how to light her face, I was having a hard time with. Recording these videos and making them and then doing my day job is hard, so I'm just gonna leave that in there. I'm not just doing art all day. I am working a job that is 40 hours a week. I do okay, but you know, I have to do what I love when I want to, and my art's what I love. So, but I do get very tired. Sometimes I burn myself out trying to do so much, and then like I have all these ideas that I write down and all these things I want to accomplish, and then my brain gets overwhelmed and it's just like, why did you give yourself so much to do? But yeah, I feel like I'm getting better at doing the glow effects. Here you see me just going back through with my wood burner, trying to get darker lines in some places, and yeah. I do need to learn to be more decisive with what I glitter. I definitely overdid it on the glitter on this one, but I got to a point in the evening where I just was hating it, and I was like, maybe I can fix it, and then added too much. But she's still pretty. She's just real sparkly. I should have definitely stopped. I shouldn't have added it to her hair, at least, I don't think. But she's still pretty. You'll see her at the end of this video. I did a little shot of showing how she shimmers. Oh, and I decided to do goldfish because I'm pretty sure Arthur turns into a goldfish in the moat at one point. Not 100% positive because it's been years since I saw that movie, but I'm pretty dang sure. Yeah, I'm going to be doing these bookmarks for a while now. I also have other Halloween crafts planned, and I also want to try to get some face painting videos up. So, subscribe for those. They could be a total disaster, who knows, but at least come along for the ride with me. But go like my Facebook page because I'm going to be announcing there whenever all these bookmarks are going up on my Etsy store. And until after the holidays, they are first come, first serve. I won't be doing reproductions until after Christmas. So, yeah, please go like my art page so you don't miss out on getting one that you want. And I think that's all I have to say. So, thanks for watching my video. Appreciate you. Bye.